What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna do something I've never done. I've seen a bunch of videos on it, but I've never done it myself, and that's go through a drive-through on my bike. I know nothing's really gonna happen, but it's just cool to come along for the ride. Watch this, ready? Hey! That darn crotch rocket, guys, I'll tell you what. Hopefully you guys have been liking the videos recently. I'm trying to grind them out as much as I can. Just going out of town for work, and the weather being terrible recently, it's just been really hard to get a video out. Who knows, they might not let me through. Chick-fil-A's the GOAT, so hopefully they let me through. My bike is sounding so loud right now. It's like the third person that's ordered the whole menu in front of me. It's crazy. Definitely picked the wrong line today. Kevin, can I get a 12 count nugget? Can I do that with just the nuggets and then barbecue sauce as well? And then a number 2 deluxe, just a sandwich. And I'll do a large fry as well.
What was your name again?
Kevin? Yeah.
Right next to his name.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure. Have a good day.
Thanks. Good, how are you?
I'm waiting for them to store your... There we go, for Harris.
Kevin?
Kevin.
Yeah.
There we go, there we go. Alright. You're all set.
Thanks. Wow, this is a cluster. It is so hot today, it's unbelievable. I don't know, it's been weird, because normally like April it's like raining all the time, and now people are just cutting their grass now, and it's, let's see what it is, April 5th. It's crazy. I mean, just getting closer to bike weather all the time, not this 40 degrees in the morning and then 70 at when you get off of work. It's like, man, I could have rode my bike today. Yes. Is it possible to add a mac and cheese or no?
Yeah, of course. What size?
Small.
It's going to be 364.
Sorry about that.
Oh, you're fine. Do you want like a bag with handles? Would that be easier for you?
That's fine.
There you go.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, my pleasure. Have a great one.
You too. My girlfriend would have killed me if I would have left here without mac and cheese. Ask me how I know, because she almost did it last time. She hurts me when no one else is around. I just want y'all to know that. I'm just playing. Maybe. Possibly. Oh my god. It was so stressful for no reason. Alright, let's get back on the ride here. Get home. Eat this stuff. Oh man, what is going on here? Oh my god. Jesus Lord, no one knows how to drive around here. Maryland drivers, I tell you what. Unbelievable. You bake like a marshmallow out here if you're just... If you're just sitting still, man, it's brutal. Do y'all see that logo right there? Right here? See that in the mirror? Hey, merch coming soon. Don't sleep on it. Oh my god. I don't know how much longer I could sit here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. That's what I'm telling you, these Maryland drivers, man, they're terrible. Come on, take it while you can, take it while you can, take it while you can. Come on, go, 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 go. Please go. Chick-fil-A's gonna get cold, man. So I talked about it I think 2 videos ago, and I got the Black Widow headers and I have to get it retuned by Chris, so hopefully I can do all that soon. So I'm trying to enjoy this tune and hopefully shoot a little flames. Who knows? I seen someone with the exact setup I'm gonna have and it sounds insane. So let's hear that now. I think it sounds amazing. Shout out to that guy. I'll put everything in the description. That thing sounds amazing. And that's exactly what we're gonna sound like. So we're coming up on, I think we're over 700 subscribers. So once we hit 1,000, I'm gonna do a collab with a videographer and we're gonna do an all new intro with this bike with our merch and everything, so it's gonna look so good. I cannot wait, because this intro is cool. It's got me to where I'm at and up to 1,000 subscribers, but after that we're gonna switch it up. Better quality, everything, new camera gear and all that stuff. So we're gonna step the game up once we hit that deadline. So if you haven't subscribed, be sure to do so. Let me know if you guys like more of a vlog with riding clips, because I feel like I just cut it all out when I can't really think of something, so I just don't use the clips where I'm not really talking. But let me know if you guys like that and I'll be sure to add some more in. But if you guys like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new. Be seeing you on the flip side. Peace.